So hi guys, it's Shalini here from Cakes4Kids. This is day 1 of our lockdown for South Africa, the 21 days, and I've decided because we're closed, I'm gonna do some tutorials for you guys, making of cake toppers, some sugar flowers. We're gonna decorate some cakes as well. And the first cake we're going to start tomorrow, or today actually. I'm just going to ice the cake. I'll post that a bit later on. And then tomorrow we're going to decorate it. It's actually for my eldest son who's turning 16. And I'll post the whole thing tomorrow. First, I just want to show you where we work and how our workstations look like. So it looks very, very quiet and clean inside there because no one is here. Usually we are all about 8 ladies, and you can imagine 8 girls together can get a bit crazy. So let me show you what Cakes4Kids looks like. Let me just switch this. Okay, so I couldn't figure out how to flip the camera while taking a video. So if someone knows, please let me know. So this is the front of our shop, Cakes4Kids. We're in Bloemfontein in South Africa. So this is the front desk, and usually those shelves are full of cakes. There's some dummy cakes at the top there. That's my husband's amp. It's not supposed to be there. He's just storing it here for the lockdown. So you'll see we've got quite a few workstations. This one is mine. I've got some gum paste here. I'm going to make some pretty sugar flowers with later on. And then we've got all our fondants that we work with underneath here. We've got lots and lots of edible sprinkles. And this is Jonita's workstation. And we've got Larindi's station. And over here is our photo booth. And then here's some shelves where once we've made toppers, we just put them there until it goes onto the cake. This is the cake I'm going to decorate tomorrow. It's a Harry Potter theme with some sushis. My son loves sushi, so we're going to combine those two. This is just some buckets with different icings in and cutters. At the top here we've got some dummy cakes as well. Those are 2 wedding cakes we made for a bridal show. And over there we've got lots and lots and lots of buckets full of little secrets on cake decorating. Maybe I'll share some with you guys. Here at the back we've just got our basin and some more icing and fridges. And this is Katie's workstation. She's one of the pro icers that does the fondant work. Here we've got Mpo, usually works here, and Given. There are also 2 icers. Given is also a baker. And then over here we've got Charmaine's workstation. So this is basically our shop in the front. So I'm going to take you now to the bakery in the back. So this is the bakery. It's in the back of the property. We've got some 2 mean mixing machines over here. Oh well, 3, sorry. Got 3. This is an oven. In the back there is just the wash up area. Got some shelves, and then we've got our 3 magic ovens we use to bake the lovely cakes in. Alright, so this is the bakery in the back. It's not a snowflake ad, that's just the on that's not supposed to be there. Alright, so you've seen our bakery, you've seen our shop, and I'm going to post some other videos for you guys as well where we make stuff, and then you can practice at home. And remember, we do classes as well, so once the lockdown is over, if you're interested in classes, you can just give us a ring. Otherwise, go onto our YouTube channel. I'm going to post some videos there as well. And then, yeah, thanks for supporting us. And we'll see you soon.